What's going on, guys? Welcome to MDOR. On today's episode, I found something that I didn't know exists, and I bet a lot of you didn't either. Check this out. This is awesome. Let's dive in. So over the years, my Jeep has seen it all. Trails, dunes, and everything in between. It's been my partner in adventure, but let's be real, the wear is starting to show. Especially on the doors, scratches from my watch, scuffs from countless closures, it's all adding up, and honestly, it's time for a change. Out of curiosity, I went down the rabbit hole and Googled vinyl wrapping Jeep doors. That's when I discovered Wraplander. They make custom wraps specifically designed for Jeep doors, and they look incredible. I couldn't resist trying them out, and today I'm sharing my experience with you guys. One of the things that I've learned from all my time on the trails and dunes is that protection isn't just for the exterior of your Jeep. It's just as important for the interior. That's where my PRP seat covers come in. I've been using these seat covers for a while now, and they've been an absolute game changer. They protect my seats from scratches, dirt, grime, and all the sand that gets in everywhere after a day of dunes. They're durable, easy to clean, and honestly one of the best upgrades that I've made for my Jeep's interior. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check them out if you're interested. And while we're talking about the interior, let's address the question I know some of you are going to be already asking me: why the full-on harnesses? Well, my typical answer: why not? But in all seriousness, we do a lot of riding on the sand dunes, and safety is my priority. I've seen things happen out there, and I trust these harnesses way more than the factory seat belts. They give me a peace of mind, and that's worth everything. But today, it's all about the doors. We're not just fixing the wear and tear, we're giving my Jeep a whole new vibe with this awesome looking Topo pattern from Wraplander. They claim it's durable, it's protective, and let's be honest, it adds a whole lot of sexy to my Jeep. Alright, so before we jump into the actual installation, I do want to mention that I genuinely bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. It was one of those things where I was just browsing and I ended up finding it, and I jumped on it because I thought it was awesome. So let's jump into the installation, and all I really used was a heat gun. I used my favorite super clean degreaser to get all the crud off the doors, and then I wiped the doors with isopropyl alcohol. Now in the instructions it says you should mix it with water, but I just went straight isopropyl alcohol right on the doors, wiped everything off, and I was ready to install. Now after wiping everything down, I did use a heat gun to go ahead and dry off the whole panel before I started laying it out. And it tells you in the instructions to start with a smaller piece for the door and then go to the larger piece, which was fairly simple. I just wanted to make sure everything lines up, but everything is perfectly cut to line up and the fitment is absolutely great. Now in the beginning, I was a little bit intimidated about applying the vinyl or ripping it or overstretching it, but in reality, it's super forgiving, and by the third door, fourth door, I was fully confident to just continue, and it was very simple to work with. I felt comfortable of peeling it off and getting rid of some of the creases if you get one, and everything went on nice and smooth. So this was my final door. I'm done. I feel like I could keep going and keep wrapping the whole thing on the inside. The vinyl itself, it's like super forgiving. So by the last door, I felt absolutely confident with this vinyl. I knew exactly where to stretch it. I knew exactly where to massage it. And it went on super smooth. Let me get all this stuff cleaned up and put away, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so I got most of the scratches and everything covered up now with the vinyl. I think it came out awesome. I think this is one of the best new products that I have discovered. Personally, I really hope Wraplander decides to make pretty much whatever pieces you want for the entire interior, because I think that would look awesome. Like the center console, maybe even the pillars, the dash. I really hope that he even branches out into that, because I think it'd be kind of cool to be able to just pick up interior vinyl pieces like this for anything. I am definitely really happy with it. The only thing I have to figure out and deal with is this net scrotum that I have hanging from all the doors, but that's like a Jeep problem. So I also had the hanging scrotum problem on the back of the seats, but I actually cut these and made these to fit on the back of the seats. I'm kind of working to try to figure out and see if I want to make these for you guys. I have not cut the net yet, just in case I do decide to make these. I want to be able to show how to do a full installation, meaning clipping out the net and installing these molly panels. Probably going to do something similar over here to get rid of the hanging scrotum so that it kind of looks like that. That's going to be in the near future, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. Overall, I am extremely happy with the outcome. I would definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10 so far as installation, as far as the quality of it and fitment. I feel like it fits absolutely perfect, and with a little learning curve, it's actually not that difficult to install. The best part is, if you get tired of it, rip it off and get something new on there. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.